What?
Yeah, carrot cake, Jasper.
Well, since when did you like carrot cake, Chucky? I thought you liked cheesecake.
Jasper, why do you think I like cheesecake?
Your name is literally Chuck E. Cheese. What am I supposed to think?
Oh, well, fair enough, Jasper. Well, did you just give me some carrot cake on accident, or?
No, I got cheesecake, Chucky. Now when we gonna do?
Hey guys, are you ready for what? Are you ready for the party?
I mean, I am, but I don't know. Chuck is coming.
Yeah, sure, let's go. Come on, Jasper.
Let's go!
Dang, Jasper, I can't wait to celebrate my birthday at Chuck E. Cheese. What the hell is this?
It's time for the fire, Fire pizza. We're totally not high.
Well, Jasper, why you take me to Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria?
Look, Chucky, I'm getting sick and tired of celebrating all of our birthdays at Chuck E. Cheese's. It's annoying. Your pizza sucks. Admit it, Chucky. Admit it.
Hey, guys, over here.
Guys, what are you doing at Freddy Fazbear's instead of Chuck E. Cheese's?
Chucky, the reason we're celebrating Freddy Fazbear's is because the last time I went to a Chuck E. Cheese's, the pizza sucked, the games were broken, and the dance floor was literally...
Chucky, not again.
Jasper, I'm just mad because they're celebrating my birthday in one of my rip-offs. Imagine that, Jasper.
Okay, but you don't have to throw Helen.
Look, Chucky, why don't you just try it out? Maybe it's good.
Fine, I'll try it out.
Good, then let's all watch the show.
We're waiting every night to finally Roman invite newcomers to play with us. For many years has been a long.
Wow, they suck.
Look, Chucky, why don't you just try their pizza? It looks good.
Okay, Pasquale, let me try their pizza. It looks bad.
Oh my gosh, why does it taste good?
Oh, at least he likes something.
But let's see if the games are good.
Actually, Chucky, they don't have, games here.
What?
Yeah, they just have food and, entertainment. It says on the outside of the building, it has arcades. And, there is no arcades.
So, Freddy Fazbear, where's the arcade machines?
Look, dude, I just entertain here. I don't know what arcades you're talking about. Oh, well then, who owns the building? And,
Hi, yes, I actually own the building. What seems to be the problem?
hi, yes, we need, a refund, cause, there was no arcades in this arcade.
Oh, sorry, we don't give out refunds. But, we can give you a free pizza or something.
Now you listen here. Me and my group need a refund, cause there was no arcades, and we were promised arcades.
Yeah, fine, I'll give you a refund. Here's the money.
Oh, thank you. Hey guys, I got your money back.
Oh, good. Now we can finally spend it at Dave and Buster's.
Actually, I know a better thing you could spend the money on.
Carrot cake.